Good morning folks, how's it going? We're back out today, and this time we're up at the east side of Loch Treig, down the two Munros up there. I think one's called Stob Coire Sgriodain and the other one's Chno Dearg, I think. But what a day we've got today. It's absolutely freezing just now. It's -6 when I left the little Hamlet of Fersit, which is just located off the laggan road. So, but there's no wind, it's looking great for today. So the terrain is nice and frozen. So this would usually be boggy here. I think it's quite a boggy route, to be honest. So we've got I think it's 13 kilometres today. So I'm hoping to do this in maybe 5-6 hours. We look back. That's a look north. And over there, I think that's the Craig Mega group. Up there. What a difference in 4 days. I was up Ben Lomond on Thursday there, the 14th, sorry. 13 degrees it was. 4 days later, it's -6. But there's not a breath of wind, which is ideal. That's the sun up now, it's a bit warmer. Had to take the tammy off, on with the skip hat. So been on the go for about an hour now, and that's us about 500 metres. So doing not too bad. Conditions are quite good. Underfoot there's quite a lot of ice, but it's easily avoided. I have brought my micro spikes right enough, just in case. You can see the route up there, just up this wee grassy ramp, then up to the left, and we'll see what is beyond that. But doing a bit of heather bashing now, so we're off the path and out the sun again. But this is stunning today. Oh. Never get tired of that, would you? That'll be the top up there. We're at 835 metres just now, and the Munro stands at 979. So we shouldn't be too long, but another 130, 140 metres of ascent. I was telling you I was up Ben Lomond the other day. I was at the top of the Tarnigan Ridge, and this hill runner came running by me. He was coming down the way I was still going up, but then he turned back 5 minutes later. He ran up and caught up with me. He's like, "Here big man, I love your videos." I was like, "Oh, cheers." So I don't know if he recognised me or recognised the dogs, because there's the 4 dogs with me. But just goes to show you, your videos do get noticed, eh? Whoa, look at that. That's your essence over there. There, Loch Treig. That'll be the Moors and the Glencoe hills over there, I'd imagine. But we've not got long now. That's the top just there. Boom! Stob Coire Sgriodain, 970 metres, 79 metres. So just look at that. What a day. Superb. Doesn't get much better than this, I'll tell you. Wee 360 round. Wee bit of clag out in the east there. So that probably took about 2 hours and 15 minutes I think to get to the top there. So I flew the drone, hopefully it all came out good. But it was starting to play up a wee bit. I don't know if it's the cold temperatures, maybe affecting the battery. But I'll see what the footage is like when I get home. But we'll stick it up anyway. But this is superb. Classic winter day. Second one this year, because when I was up in Glen Shiel it was kind of winter conditions as well. There's quite a bit of snow in some of the Munros up there that day. That was in October. But this is now the 18th of November. Right, cold snap just now. So I'm going to make my way over to the site Munro. So that's the site Munro there. I reckon I'll be around there in about half an hour max. I think it's going to be quite a short day, to be honest. Not much of a drop either. So if we just down here and just follow that all the way around. Then up there. That's a bit higher than this one. I think that one's 1047, I think it is. 1047 metres. It's starting to look quite atmospheric over in Glencoe. You can just see where that gap is there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up right enough, but that's the two buckles. You get the big buckle and the wee buckle there. And you get the B-lack in between them. You come down into Glen Etive. It's good to get two new Munros in. This is number 214 and 215 today. Been a long time coming. So I've been sitting about 200 for about 5 years. That's just because I've had young dogs and not had the same time. Done a lot of repeat Munros. Like I say, I was up Ben Lomond the other day there, and that was the 3rd time this year. The 8th time in total. And the 10 years for my first ascent of it. But I never get tired of the views up there. Absolutely love it. There we go, that's the summit there. Chno Dearg. 1047 metres. Second Munro today. Boom. So that's the second Munro done. Flew the drone there, everything was good with that this time. I think the last time, I don't know if there was something wrong with the battery with the cold weather. But I'm just going to head down now. Just caught up with a guy and I'm going to get him down. So I'll see you further down the trail. So that's us down a good bit now. That was a bit boggy, treacherous with peat hags. Pain in the arse, as they say. But it's turning out a lovely afternoon. All the hills are clear to the north there. Get that stunning, eh? And that's the first Munro we're up this morning. So last look at the two Munros we came down from. That's the first one at the end of the track there, you can see. And you can just see the top of the second one we done. But an outstanding day. Can't even believe the conditions today. frozen. I don't think it get much better than -5, but no wind, so it was very pleasant. So I'm not too far from the car now. So that's us back at the car now. That took 5 hours and 20 minutes. It's not too bad. I think it was just under 16 kilometres it came in at. I thought it says in Walk Islands it was 13 odds, but there you are. But that was a great day. Absolutely brilliant. Couldn't ask for it any better. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.